Idioms. Eat your fill, meaning eat until one is full. Examples: we had a big buffet dinner and everyone ate their fill. After hiking all day, we sat down and ate our fill at the campsite. Safe to eat, meaning free from germs and toxins. Examples: don't worry, the chicken is cooked well, it's safe to eat. Check the expiration date to see if the yogurt is still safe to eat. Eat dirt, meaning insult, be humiliated. Examples: after losing the race, he had to eat dirt in front of his rivals. She laughed when her opponent fell, but later she ate dirt when she lost badly. Eat like a horse, meaning eat large quantities. Examples: my brother eats like a horse, he's always hungry. Teenagers often eat like horses because they're growing fast. Eat your words, meaning admit one is wrong. Examples: you said I couldn't do it, but I proved you wrong. Now eat your words. He laughed at my idea, but later he had to eat his words when it succeeded. Eat like a bird, meaning eat small quantities. Examples: she eats like a bird, just a few bites and she's done. I can't believe how little he eats, he really eats like a bird. A bite to eat, meaning a snack. Examples: let's get a bite to eat before the movie starts. We stopped at a cafe for a quick bite to eat on the way to work. Be eating out of SB's hand, meaning do what somebody wants. Examples: she's so charming that everyone is eating out of her hand. By the end of the speech, the audience was eating out of his hand. Eat crow, meaning be forced to admit error. Examples: he had to eat crow after claiming his team would never lose. I mocked her idea, but when it worked, I had to eat crow. Dog eat dog, meaning merciless. Examples: in the business world, it's a dog-eat-dog environment. The fashion industry can be very dog-eat-dog, only the strongest survive. Eat humble pie, meaning UK, be forced to admit error. Examples: after blaming the wrong person, he had to eat humble pie. She criticized the new manager, but after seeing the results, she ate humble pie. Eat, drink and be merry, meaning make the most of life. Examples: it's the holidays, time to eat, drink and be merry. They threw a big party to eat, drink and be merry before the exams began.